Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. We put together this series of videos to help you with basic repair and maintenance of all of your automatic taping tools. One of the key things with your tools is clearly taking care of them and knowing how to fix them whenever you have a minor malfunction. One of the mysteries of these tools over time has been they're really hard to work on, they're very expensive to maintain. It's not the case. So over this series of videos, you're going to hear from Robby, our lead technician. He's going to take you through all the tips and tricks on how to do the basic maintenance and repair of each one of these tools. We hope you find this beneficial. This is aligned with what we do at Level 5. It's all about the finisher. If we can help you do your job better, save money, you're going to be a long-term customer. So again, share these with your friends. If you got any feedback, you can drop it in our Facebook page. But at the end of the day, guys, we're all about finisher first. So check us out online, level5tools.com. Check out our YouTube channel, Level 5 Tools. Welcome to the Red Zone.